welcome back to the channel. The last time you guys have seen this project, we were discussing the differential and the drive shaft at the ending of the last video when it comes to the swap series. Now, the new drivetrain, having much more power than the original drivetrain, this car would have been very unsafe with the original open differential. So, I had to figure something out. And now, here we are with the solution. A package from our friends over at Diffs Online. Oh, wow. Right off the bat, we have a nice big sheet of stickers. Really thick, heavy-duty box here. Oh, I see something. Oh. What we have here is a LSD unit from Diffs Online. It is a 3:38 ratio, and this thing should be perfect for our swap. They are an awesome company based in Massachusetts. There they are. They specialize in BMW racing differentials, and the owner, Dan, is a very awesome person. I've personally sent him loads of these diffs for him to rebuild. It's really cool seeing one of those diffs come back here rebuilt. This thing is just beautiful. Look at that. I will have a link in the description to their website. I got this differential cover used from Facebook Marketplace for pretty dang cheap, and overall it is in good shape if you look at it. Now, the seller did tell me that there were slugs inside of this. This probably was sitting outside. And he told me that there was slime that they left behind. So you can see right here is remnants of the slug party. Slug slime. He said it was hard to remove. Now, I don't feel like that leftover material is going to harm my diff. I think it'll be just fine. However, I will try to remove the slug slime because I do not want slug slime inside my limited slip differential. Slug slime. He definitely wasn't lying. This slug slime is probably on here to stay. I'm really scrubbing that, and it is not. For future reference, maybe do not let slugs crawl around on your parts. This here is some of the best gasket maker known to man, Permatex, the right stuff. I use this for a lot of things. When it comes to tightening down these bolts, the torque specification for the 8.8 grade bolts is going to be 45 newton meters. And when it comes to the 10.9 grade bolts, those will be torqued to 55 newton meters. And just like that, she's ready to install. Look at how beautiful she is. Woo! Check that thing out. Limited slip differential is now installed into the S62 swap project. I still have to fasten up the axles and the sway bar. If you're looking to buy a limited slip differential for your BMW, I highly recommend you to shop with diffsonline.com. Excellent build quality, excellent service, brand name parts used and components. No cheap stuff. You get what you pay for, especially for a differential. diffsonline.com. Highly recommend differentials and other things too. Check them out today. diffsonline.com. Check out their Facebook page or website and shop online today. That's all for tonight's video. I'll see you in the next one. Catch you later.